Hi Carol and Hannah, this video is for you on how I plant my tomatoes, and I'll probably send it to Terry too, so hi Terry. First we start with our tomato plant, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but we'll zoom in. All these little fine hairs on your tomato plants are actually part of the root system. So the further you bury this down, the more root system you will have. So we're gonna plant this to just these ones popping up here, which means I'm gonna go ahead and pinch off all of these leaves up to that point to give it one solid root, pinching off the suckers and the leaves. So I'm gonna do it, I think I'm gonna leave these since I'm doing a little bit later planting. We had some cold weather here. This particular tomato is San Maranzano, and if you wanna zoom in and take a look at the hole that I dug, you'll wanna dig your hole a lot deeper, okay, than your plant, and a lot wider. We want nice loose soil around the roots of the plant. Oh shoot, pause for a second. We're going to first mix 2 handfuls of compost with manure, just regular compost with manure. And we're gonna mix that into the dirt that's in the bottom here to give it a nice place to grow. Now comes the weird stuff, right? This is where we have to think about the height, because we are going to put in 1 full intact uncooked egg. We are going to put in regular aspirin, not baby aspirin, but regular aspirin. We're going to do 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. And I spread those out, 1 on each kind of quadrant in a little triangle. Then, this is where it's really getting interesting. I normally just do a fish head, but I have the full guts, head, everything. So we're gonna put 1 big old fish in there as well. So if you wanna zoom in to see what all this looks like, can you zoom in down onto the hole? Okay, so that's what that's gonna look like. And I'm gonna put the roots of the plant right on there. So I'm gonna break them up just a little bit and put the roots of the plant right on there. And then I'm going to fill in the soil around it, just the first layer. Now I'm gonna do another layer of compost. So we're gonna do another little round of compost halfway up. There we go. And then we're gonna fill in some more. Now I'm going to do another little compost layer on top here around. And we are going to fill this in to where we're kind of mounding it almost. But I want to fill it to that very bottom branch. When it's mounded out just a little bit, that helps when I put my plastic down. And a little extra dirt up there will also keep the moisture in the plant. So I like to have it just mounded up just a little bit. And then we'll put a soaker hose down, and then we'll put plastic over this, cut a hole for it, and that'll keep all the weeds at bay and really help it grow strong. So that's how I plant my tomato plants.